this Mike?
Yeah, this is Mike. Who is this?
Hey Mike, do you want the good news or the bad news?
I usually like the bad news first, so what's up?
Okay, bad news is this is a cold call. Good news is this is a very well-researched cold call. So if you can give me 9 seconds, I can tell you exactly how we can help you get more out of your property on Maple Street than you think it's worth right now.
Uh, okay, you got my attention. Yeah, what's up?
Great. So the Houston market in your zip has been on fire. Homes like yours have been selling above asking in the last 90 days. We've got buyers actively searching your street right now. Is selling something you'd even consider in the next 6 to 12 months?
Yes, actually, I was thinking of selling my house within the next 6 to 7 months. I had that in mind.
That's all I needed to hear. I'm not here to pressure you. Just want to get you on a quick 10-minute call with one of our agents for a free evaluation. Does this week work for you?
Yeah, but can you actually send me the details on email? That would be helpful.
Of course, I can do that. But honestly, the call is 10 times more powerful than any email. If I can get just 10 minutes on your calendar, I think you'll see why. What does your schedule look like?
Okay, sounds good. We can do Thursday at 3 p.m.
Perfect. Thursday at 3 p.m. it is. You'll hear from us then. And Mike, even if you decide not to sell, knowing what your home is worth right now is just smart. Thanks, Mike, and have a good day.
So basically, this is an AI cold calling system, and this is how it actually works. So if you have the list of numbers on Google Sheets, then AI will basically go through all the numbers one by one and then call each of the leads, just like you saw the way it interacted with me. So it's gonna speak with the lead, it's gonna qualify them, ask some basic questions. We can also train the AI. If you have a specific script, then we can also train the AI on the script as well. So it's gonna qualify the lead and then see if the lead has been qualified, then it's gonna try to book an appointment. And then once the appointment has been booked, update your calendar and also the CRM once the appointment has been booked. And also you will get a recording of each of the calls that the AI makes on your CRM as well. So once that's done, the only job that your team has to do is basically jump on the sales calls which the AI booked. So now that you've seen how the system actually works, let's go through a cost breakdown. We're going to be comparing a human cold caller versus an AI cold caller. So a human cold caller, they basically charge, let's say, from $2,000 to $5,000, and they also have commissions as well, and they work 9 to 5. They take holidays, which is completely fine in my opinion. But anyways, so if we compare this with an AI cold caller, now if you were to make around 200 to 200 calls per day with the AI, then your cost breakdown would look something like this: $200 to $400. Now this may definitely vary based on the number of calls you're actually making and the number of minutes that the AI is actually speaking with the human. So the plus point is that it can run 24/7, and also it can do unlimited calls per day. I mean, the only limit here is that how much money are you actually willing to spend over here. All right, other than that, there's no issue. Like, it can run on autopilot. That's the thing. And your only job that your team members or you have to do is just jump on the sales call and then just close the deals. That's all. So if you're interested in the system and you'd like to build this system step by step for your business or for your clients, maybe I've created a full tutorial over here. You can go through this tutorial, and as you can see, this is like a 1 hour 22 minutes tutorial. I leave nothing on the table here. I share everything step by step as to how you can build this by yourself from scratch. And this is also one of my highest performing videos in my channel, so you'll definitely like this video, I can assure you that. And also, if you're a business owner and you do not want to go through the learning process and you'd like me to build this for your business within 7 days, then you can book a free discovery call with me in the description down below. So there is a link provided in the description. You can click on the link to book a free discovery call with me, and we can have a quick chat to what you're actually looking for and how we can help you out. And also, if you have any questions regarding the system that I just shared, then yeah, you're welcome in this call as well. Yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you want to see this video, then there is a link at the top right of this video. So just click on the link and you'll be redirected to that video. I hope you guys found this video valuable, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.